Everyone tells you to scale by hiring a team. They're wrong. Adding people doesn't just add cost. It adds complexity, management headaches, communication breakdowns. You aren't building a business, you're building a babysitting service. I've spent the last year obsessing over the intersection of LLMs and workflow automation. While most agency owners are fighting over payroll, a new breed of zero-employee agencies is emerging. They're hitting seven-figure revenues with a headcount of 1. Because they've stopped hiring humans and started deploying AI agents. Today, I'm giving you the exact blueprint. We're going deep into Make.com and the OpenAI Assistant's API to build a system that handles lead gen, client onboarding, and project delivery on complete autopilot. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to replace your most expensive overhead with a digital workforce that never sleeps, never complains, and scales infinitely. Most agency owners follow the same broken playbook. You land a few big clients, the workload spikes, and you panic. Your first instinct: hire. You think a new account manager or a VA will buy you freedom. But here's the cold truth. You didn't buy freedom. You bought a management job. Suddenly, your day is consumed by Slack messages, constant check-ins, correcting mistakes that you could have done faster yourself. Every new hire adds a layer of complexity. More payroll, more overhead, more human error. You're not scaling your business. You're scaling your stress. You've become the bottleneck because everything has to run through you to ensure quality. You're no longer the visionary CEO. You're a full-time babysitter. And the worst part, the more people you add, the slower you move. Communication breaks down. The culture becomes a chore. You're trapped in the hiring cycle. Hire to grow, grow to need more help, hire again. It's a race to the bottom where your margins shrink while your workload explodes. But what if the solution isn't more people? What if the solution is *0 people? Stop thinking about headcount. Start thinking about capacity. Most agency owners think the only way to handle more clients is to add more people. But more people equals more Slack messages, more payroll, and more management headaches. The solution isn't a bigger team. It's an AI agentic workflow. I call this the zero-employee agency. It's a system where AI doesn't just help you work, it handles the entire operational chain. Here is the blueprint. Step 1, the brain. You don't want a basic chatbot. You need the OpenAI Assistant's API. Unlike standard ChatGPT, assistants have state. They remember your clients, your brand voice, and your specific SOPs. You upload your knowledge base, your pricing, your case studies, your delivery process, directly into the assistant. Now the AI isn't guessing. It's executing based on your actual business logic. Step 2, the nervous system. A brain without a body is useless. That's where Make.com comes in. Think of Make as the nervous system that connects your AI brain to the real world. Instead of a human checking an inbox, Make.com watches for triggers. A new lead in Facebook ads. A payment in Stripe. A message in Slack. Make detects it and instantly feeds that data to your OpenAI assistant. Step 3, the lead to client engine. Let's put this into a real-world scenario. A lead fills out your typeform. Make.com grabs that data and sends it to your assistant. The AI doesn't just say thanks. It visits the lead's website, analyzes their current SEO or ad spend, and drafts a hyper-personalized proposal based on your framework. Then Make.com pushes that draft into your Slack. You don't write a word. You just hit a thumbs up emoji to approve it. Once approved, Make sends the email via Gmail and schedules a discovery call on your Calendly. You've just replaced a lead qualifier, a junior copywriter, and an admin assistant. No payroll. No health insurance. No I'm sick today emails. Just pure, scalable logic. This is how you decouple your income from your hours. You aren't managing people anymore. You're managing a system. To build this exact system, you need the right engine. I use Make.com for almost every automation in my business. It's far more powerful than Zapier for complex, multi-step workflows. If you want to start building your zero-employee agency today, use the link in the description to get a free trial. Once this is running, the math changes. Instead of managing 5 salaries, you're paying a few API credits. Your overhead drops by 80%, but your output stays the same or even increases. You stop managing people and start managing systems. That is where the real profit is. If you're ready to stop hiring and start automating, hit the like button and subscribe. We're dropping new AI agency blueprints every week. Now, go build your autonomous agency.